How's it going, y'all? It's Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. I hope y'all are having a great Sunday. We are in Dallas, Texas. I have my oldest out here with us. Skylar, do you want to say hello to everybody? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Here, I'll let you stick it. There you go. Go ahead and say hi to everybody. Say hi.
Hi.
So she wanted to come out and hang out with her daddy. And actually, Skylar, she put this tape up. Is blue your favorite color?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so she picked this blue tape up, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of two products. Whoop, come here, sweetie. Come here, baby. There you go. So the first product we're going to do, we'll do it on this side. I've never used this before. It's actually the Dupli-Color Tire Shine Coating. I've never used it. It says to shake for about a minute, all right? And this stuff, what really appealed to me about this is it's silicone free. And you want to shake both of these products for about a minute before you're applying them. I've actually been shaking them while my beautiful daughter was actually putting this tape on for us and helping us out. So we're just going to see a little bit of the difference. I'm going to let y'all be the judge. And Skylar asked her, I said, hey, sweetie, do you want to pick which one do you like better? And she said, yeah, sure, Daddy, right? You want to help your daddy out? Yeah? Okay, so she's going to hold that tire shine coating for me, and I'm going to actually get this, come here, sweetie, really quick. There you go. Yep, you can keep shaking that right there. Thank you so much. You're such a big help. So we're going to do the tire paint right here. Now, the one thing about the tire shine with Dupli-Color is you cannot use it on an applicator. I know that is something you can actually do with the tire paint, but that's not something you can do with the tire shine. So I guess that's just one thing to keep in mind. And I guess with price difference right now, so I know this goes for about $7-8 at O'Reilly's, and I saw the tire shine go for it was like $15 on Amazon, and then at Pet Boys $4 or $5. So I mean, give or take. So we're gonna actually put this on and kind of just test these out for a week and kind of see where they go, and then I'll come back to them and we'll check them out. So we're going to do the tire paint on this one, and then we're going to do the tire shine on this one. So if I messed that up before saying it earlier, I'm sorry. And then I'm going to shake this one up really quick. Sorry, hold on 1 second. And hopefully I don't get this on my hands or anything, alright? So we're going to do this really quick. Thank you so much, sweetie. You're helping Daddy out so much. So I'm going to go for a satin finish on both of these, okay? And give you all a side-by-side. I'm going to do one coat of each, alright? And Skylar, you're doing such a good job, sweetie. Thank you for shaking that up for Daddy. You're doing such a great job over there, baby.
Can I spray it?
No, I don't want you to spray it just because I want to be safe, okay?
Okay.
How about when you're 16, I'll let you do that, alright? Does that sound like a good idea? Yeah, you can do it like that. There we go. Alright, can you hold this one for Daddy? Oh, you're such a big help. Thank you, baby girl. Okay, so we got one side right here. I may come back and even that out, and then my daughter's been shaking this up, and then we're gonna do this side right here. Okay? Do you like this one? What, you want to do this side?
Yes.
You like this side? Okay. All right. Which one do you think's gonna win? This one or that one?
That one.
This one? You think this one's gonna win? Okay. I guess we're gonna see. We'll let everybody else see for themselves and see what they like. Here we go. Now, if I didn't mention it before, this stuff cannot be applied applicator. So apparently, however, the transfer solution is in this stuff. It's designed to where you can't put an applicator. Just follow the instructions. So I'm going to do one more thing. Well, I don't know. I want to even it out. I want to give a really good look on it. So I think that looks pretty good. But we'll do one more really quick. Give it a good shake, and then we'll go at it one more time. Okay, so I'm going to take y'all around the tire really quick, and we're just going to kind of take a peek and see, maybe what the difference is. And maybe y'all will find something you like. Both of these, I think, are going to be good products overall. Now, which one lasts longer, I guess is only time's going to tell. So here we go. We got the Dupli-Color Tire Shine Coating. So you can see it. I think it got a little spotting. It says apply it and then let it set for 5 minutes. And then you can apply another coat, and then just dry the touch in 20. I'm gonna go with that's almost dry. Now this tire paint, I'm pretty familiar with it. Y'all have seen some videos on it, and got a little streak in here. And granted, I did not apply that the best way, I guess, or I applied it extremely quick. It was not being extremely patient, I guess you could say. But let's just give it a side by side. Now we're gonna pull this tape up and give y'all like a before and after, I guess. Thank you so much, sweetie. You're such a big help.
Can I wear this in trash?
Yes, you may. Thank you so much, baby girl. I appreciate you. So there you go. So I'll let you guys, let me get the lighting good. Let you guys be the judge, all right? So we got Dupli-Color tire paint over here. And we got the Dupli-Color tire shine on this side, all right? So, I mean, I guess the downside for the tire shine to be is it only can be applied through the spray. So, I guess that's a downside for me because I think I'm going to feel like I have to use more product with this. Now, the tire paint, I can't even, I've probably coated 30 tires right around there with one can. And I'm just not sure I'm going to get that out of this. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that, but, you know, I could be wrong. So, anyways, we got the tire shine right here. That's what the tire was before. And then you got the tire paint right here. So, hopefully it's something y'all enjoyed. I've been wanting to test this out for a while. We just had a lot of stuff going on, detailing cars, and busy schedule with all three of mine and my wife's kids. So, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and just thank y'all so much. Leave a comment below. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And you know, what's another tire dressing you like? I'm always open to something else. So, y'all have a great night, and I appreciate y'all tuning in. Do you want to say good night, Skylar?
Good night.
All right, y'all have a great one. Catch you later.